We do a lot of cosmetic dentistry. So porcelain veneers are something that, and cosmetic dentistry in general, are something that I'm really proud of. The smiles that we're able to transform here at our practice, I'm very proud of that. I work with world-class laboratories. We use the best technology. We use the best materials and the best artists to plan, process, and execute smile transformations, and being able to do that so predictably is just one of my favorite things that we offer. It's an amazing feeling when we do the reveal of even just the temporary restorations. It's an amazing to look over someone's shoulder as they look in the mirror for the first time and see that change. It's a wonderful feeling, and I find it all very rewarding.